guys, I have just arrived in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And if you watched my how to book an Airbnb video, you would have known I'm taking a couple vacation days to explore Chattanooga. The Airbnb that I was looking at in the how to book an Airbnb videos, not the one I ended up selecting. That had way too much space for just me. But the one that I did choose does not allow me to check in until after 6 p.m. So I have some time to explore the city and do some different sightseeing before I check into my Airbnb. So I am at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum, getting ready to check that out and take a little train ride. And then after that, I'm gonna explore more of downtown. So let's go take a train ride.
We are glad to have you with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the historic White Side Tunnel. If you're afraid of the dark, just close your eyes.
Okay, so we just got done with the Missionary Ridge Local Service, or Local Service for short. So it's just a little quick train ride to East Chattanooga, where we crossed 4 bridges. Hear the train in the background. Went through a pre-Civil War tunnel, and then we got to see a turntable demonstration, explored the back shop of the train yard and how they restore the old trains. So all in all, it was such a fun experience. Definitely, if you ever come to Chattanooga, check out the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. It was really cool, especially if you love trains. You can see all the trains behind me. So now I'm gonna go explore downtown and get ready for my whiskey distillery tour. Okay, that was good, but being a lightweight, whew, that is hitting me. Those samples are hitting me. Oh my goodness. But yeah, if you guys go to Chattanooga, you should check out the Chattanooga Whiskey Distillery. It's not Tennessee whiskey, it is just whiskey made in Tennessee. They try other more bourbon type blends than just straight Tennessee whiskey. So if you're hoping for Tennessee whiskey, this is not the place for you. But whew, okay, I'm gonna walk around downtown and check this out. Just chilling at the riverfront. I really do need to find something to eat so I can absorb some of this alcohol, some of this whiskey. Ooh, there's wasps flying around on me. But there's not a lot of great restaurants that are open on Sunday, so let's go see what we can find.
Thank you.
Okay, after some deliberation, I decided on the restaurant Stir. I was walking and got on Open Table for a reservation at 6:15, so about 10 minutes from now, so found a place to eat. So I just arrived at my Airbnb, so let's go in, check it out, put my feet up, and we are gonna rest for the rest of the evening. So you walk in and there's a little welcome, Katie and guests. So here's the front entrance. We have a little dining area, some coffee stations. Here's the living room with a fold-out couch, TV that does connect to the host's house. In here, we have the kitchen with sink, microwave, toaster oven, little snacks. We do have a little fridge and freezer, a little door to the outside to see the backyard, a little half bath. Oops, there we go. So a cute half bath. There's a full-size washer and dryer. Probably not gonna do that for a couple days. And then coming in here to the bedroom. So bed, another fold-out couch if you want it, and then a full-size bathroom, shower here. So cute, with everything here that you could possibly need. So cute. Lots of space. You could definitely have more than one guest here. Okay, it is now 11 o'clock the next day. I slept in a little bit. It's been kind of on and off rainy all morning, so nothing like the weather to tell you to slow down and relax and just take it easy on your trip and your vacation. But now I'm getting ready to go explore, maybe do some hiking. So putting on my shoes right now and we'll see what's out there. Hopefully it doesn't rain anymore today. It's just gonna be a cloudy day. So have my umbrella and a rain jacket just in case, but we'll just go see what the day has in store for me. Okay, I found a place to go hiking just about 10 minutes away from my Airbnb. It is the Audubon Acres. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. Audubon. Anyway, it's part of Chattanooga's oldest wildlife sanctuary, so pretty cool. It's a little muddy since it rained this morning, but I'm literally the only one here, so I have the trails all to myself. And we are going to explore this little nature reserve. I'm so glad I'm wearing long sleeves and long pants and a hat because due to the rain and the mugginess, the mosquitoes are out in full force, and I've not put on any bug spray or repellent, so we'll see how many bug bites I have acquired when I am done with this. Yep, this is a swinging bridge. I made it across the swinging bridge. Not that scary, but it could be a little unsettling if you're really swinging on it. Ew. Watch your head. Watch your head. Okay. Trying to get down these rocks to get on the edge of that rock, but it's a little slippery because of the moisture and the rain. Hopefully I don't fall. I did it! Sitting on the edge of the rock. This is so peaceful. Being the only one here hiking is kind of nice. It's like I have the whole place to myself. So if you guys are looking for a really cool place to hike and bird watch and see nature and just explore the Audubon Acres. I really don't feel like I'm saying that correctly. I feel like someone's gonna like put in the comments below and do the phonetic spelling of it. But it is $6 to hike these trails if you're not a member of the Nature Reserve Society here, which isn't that bad. They do accept cards if you don't carry cash, because I certainly don't carry cash in this day and age. But the lady at the visitor center, super nice and helpful, gave me a map, and I've just been enjoying my time out here in nature. They even have a little well that you can get some water from, but they have it locked right now, so you can't get into it. But that's from all of my horror movie nightmares. It started raining on me, so headed back to my car, but that was a nice little hike, and hopefully I didn't get bit by too many mosquitoes. Hopefully my clothing repelled them, but definitely check out Audubon Acres if you're in Chattanooga. That was a fun hike, so much to see and experience. It was so much fun. Now it's past lunchtime, so I'm gonna see what type of food I can find to have lunch. Okay, I am at Lookout Mountain. Look at these views. Getting ready to do the cave tour in a few minutes, but just enjoying the view from here. Well, it's been raining the rest of the day, so all of my plans have been canceled since they were all outdoor activities. So sometimes your trips just don't go according to plan, but it's okay. I try to travel with the mindset that I will always return to that destination. I've actually been to Chattanooga a couple times before, and this probably will not be my last trip, so I can just plan to do those activities on the next trip. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with me on this trip, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.